How to change region on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change region on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just click search, and here just type region and then click language and region, and here you will find it. Click on it, and now just select any region you want here, like this one, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And as you see, that's how to change region on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.